Hope everybody's having a great day. 2 videos, 1 day. Let's go, baby. So today we're going to be going over how to choose price targets. Now, this is a well-known asked question in the Discord in every area, every aspect of trading, right? So without strike prices, you wouldn't know where the stock is going. So what is the strike price? That's where you want the stock to go. That's where you want it to go. You find triggers off of that. Usually if it triggers one entry, it usually triggers for the next price target. How do I find my price targets? And that's very, very simple. Now, your price targets are these wicks. If you know the strat, the wicks are where they had the heaviest resistance. So when a stock decides to reverse and goes for the highest resistance of where it left off so it can go higher, that's what a wick is. Okay, so looking at Blink, you're going to look at this 30.25. This would be a price target, right? So you see the 2-2 reversal, and that where that wants to go, it wants to hit the price target and go higher. With this, when it hits that price target, it usually has a big rejection because that's where most of the sellers that were holding sells so they can get out of the red or they buy more, right? So once it hits this trigger, it would probably fall back and then reverse back to the highs and go for the next price target, which is 39.68. You can make price targets on any time frame, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, doesn't matter, right? So let's go to the daily. As you can see above the SMA, that's our strategy, right? If you guys don't know about the SMA strategy, we do have a course down below. Use code SMA for $50 off. So a lot of people were asking where the course is, how do I change your strategy? That's how you do it down below. Has everything from this, which is finding price targets, to how to use the SMA, the scanners, etc., like that. So, or you can join the Discord. They also have scanners in there. As it's right in the SMA, its lowest point was $13. It's now trading $24, right? So where is this next price go? Look at this gap fill right here at the $27 area. This gap fill right here will show you this is where it wants to go. So as long as we get above this area, it's going for that price target. So how do I know my price target's been hit? So look at these wicks. Like I said, you can make price targets out of any wicks, right? So boom and boom. As you can see, hit the 24.21 area and got rejected. Like I said, it usually rejects because that's where a lot of people are selling at, right? Let's go to the Fiverr. It hit it, rejected, reversal down, right? Like I said, usually happens in every play. Let's go to AMC. Great one, actually. We go to the weekly. As you can see, look at all of these wicks, right? Your price target doesn't have to be perfect, right? It's just letting you know you're on the right track. So as you can see, 16.28, 17.16, 18.87, 23.49, and this is well known as a PMG, right? Once one triggers, it full sends, becomes a kick and bull, right? So once one triggers everything, right? So as you can see, let's say all of this disappeared, right? All of this disappeared. So from 14.06, this is where we starting today. 14.06, this is where we starting, to 16, 17, 18, right? So let's go to that hourly. Let's go to where it ripped, right? So don't mind this area. So as you can see, the 17 area trigger, 1887 trigger. So once it triggers one, triggers two, goes for the next trigger, which was 23.99, and boy did that junk rip. So next day, triggers long. As you can see, if you're looking back, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna put like a screenshot, or we can just go back right now. I'm not gonna do all of that. So we go back right now. What does it do? So take out the $14, take out this 16. When it triggers long, it wants to hit every trigger and go kicking bull, right? So all of these wicks are a potential trigger or a potential price target. So as you can see, let's go back to the Fiverr. Boom, it hit this, look, it triggered long 1716, hit 1887, retracted next day, hit 1716, 1887, 2058, 2232, and $24. Now these are what you call price targets, how to see them, and etc. etc. And let's look for something right now so we can chart. Let's see. I want to trade this stock tomorrow, right? So let's go look for something right now. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't let a red day make you mad. Red day, green day, they're all the same. As long as you love yourself, trust me, nothing can get in between you, right? So let's look at BGFV. This is just on the scanner. As you can see, scanner right here. Just going through these different criteria. These look for anything that fits our discretion. So let's go to BGFV. Now let's say Sunday we're charting, right? And I'm like, BGFV has a gut feel to fill. How do I create my triggers? One wick right here. One wick at the 1220. This is a wick as well. Fill the gap. This is a wick right here. Now let's see what happened today. When do I get long? 11:55. Or as you can see, as it's right in the SMA. So 11:55 would be my go-to to get in, and my price target would be 1220. Hit that, reversed, and bought it back. So you guys are understanding. If it's starting to click, make sure to like that button. Make sure to put on post notifications because I will be posting. If it's starting to click in your head right now, as you can see, it rejected once it hit that price target and made new highs. Did I not say that was going to happen? Anytime that happens in the stock, you know you're going for the next price target. So boom, hit 1247. What? A little red, rejected. New high. Boom. $13. So 11 to $13, that's a $2 move. You guys will be looking like, oh, well, it didn't make a big move, but you traded it the exact way, right? Use the strategy. Use the SMA plus the Strat strategy. So basically the Strat is making the price targets. The SMA is when you get long. So boom, let's look at Beyond. And we look for everything that matches this criteria right here. Beyond, the one that got me today, right? So it didn't get me, but I didn't get a fill. So let's say it's Sunday, we're charting, right? So we're charting plain chart, right? So boom, long trigger right here, 39.75 price target, $41 price target, $47 price target, $46 price target, $43. Normal price targets, right? So boom. we're looking at Beyond morning above the SMA. We're getting long. Our trigger is 39.75, baby. Where we going? Next trigger hit. Green all the way hit. And you know what I'm saying? This right here, this is why the SMA strategy is the best, right? So people would have kept buying. But look, rejection. We're not buying no more. We're out. This is our cut. This is our exit. This is why the SMA gives you an entry, an exit, a resistance, and a support. So if you guys did enjoy the video, if you guys learned from it, if you guys had any satisfaction from this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to comment what you guys want in the next video. And I'm out. Make sure you have a blessed day. Make sure you have a blessed day.